Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've got another exciting bag to share with you today. So this is the Daypack bag, style number 9960. So there were actually two sizes of Daypack backpacks, and this is a smaller size. And this specific bag was made in the year 2006, and it was made in India. And it's in the colorway black with nickel hardware. So it's got this silver colored hardware here that you can see. I think they started using nickel hardware around 1999, and it continued on from there, especially through the early 2000s. So anyway, what's also great about this bag is that it's in new condition. It even has the tag still attached, the price tag, so it was clearly never used. So just a great little collector's piece, and in obviously phenomenal condition. It even comes with this little booklet here, so really nicely preserved, and it's got the Coach tissue paper still inside the bag as well. But anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the rest of the bag now. So some of the features that it has is that it has this little drawstring in the inside under the front flap, and it's got a top handle up here, and it's got obviously the two-sided hang tag, as well as the backpack straps, of course, and they are adjustable. It's kind of hard to get it on fit and screen here, but that's what the straps look like. So I'll show you again one more time. Here's the front of the backpack. Here's what the sides look like. And then here's the back. This is the little drawstring, how it's designed to come through the back of the bag. And then real fast, when we open the bag, it does have a zip pocket on the inside. And I will insert a creed right now so that you can see that the bag is authentic, of course, since I can't easily show you on camera, but the creed is just below that zipper pocket that I just showed you. But yeah, anyway, that is the Daypack bag. I will link it below in our eBay shop if you wanted to check it out. Since it's not yet vintage, we can't list it on Etsy, but it is available in our eBay store. But anyway, it's there if you wanted to check it out. But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.